Unlawful termination is when your employer fires you for an illegal reason, and thankfully, there are employment laws that protect you from this behavior. This overview explores unlawful dismissal and your rights to help you identify wrongful termination and protect you and your coworkers. Remember, if you don't know your rights, it's like having no rights at all. Now, there are many reasons for unlawful termination, such as refusing to break the law at work, leaving the workplace to vote, attending jury duty, and joining a union. But we will focus on more prevalent cases that include discrimination, whistleblower retaliation, and violation of the Family and Medical Leave Act. Unlawful termination by discrimination is when you are fired on the basis of bias toward a protected class, and there are many, but 3 common categories are race, religion, and gender. Federal and state regulation enforce discrimination laws, and any unfair treatment toward an employee of a protected class is illegal, period. Whistleblower retaliation is when an employee exposes wrongdoing and is fired as a result. We've all heard of Julian Assange, right? Well, his whistle was remarkably louder and categorically more controversial than the average Joe's, so it's unlikely you will align with his experience. Exposing workplace malpractice, health and safety violations, or hostile work environments is legal and often encouraged, and termination for speaking up is against the law. The Family and Medical Leave Act protects employees who are suffering from an illness that prevents them from performing their normal job duties. Employees are also protected while caring for a sick family member and caring for a new baby, including fostered or adopted children. To be eligible, you must have been employed for 1 year and worked a minimum of 1,250 hours. This gives you the right to 12 weeks of unpaid leave, as well as the right to return to your job and remain protected from employer retaliation. Private businesses must employ at least 50 workers for a minimum of 20 weeks per year for this law to apply. It's important to note there are many at-will states, meaning your employer is not obligated to provide justification for handing out pink slips. However, if you believe you were fired illegally, stand up, defend yourself, and fight for your rights. Of course, an employer is unlikely to openly admit wrongdoing, so proving unlawful termination may be difficult, but a lawyer can help you. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. Your employer has a lawyer, so why shouldn't you? Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.